Welcome back, my shopping buddies. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day today. So we are on our way to the Dollar Tree now. Look at the beautiful waterfall. So this is the Dollar Tree we are going to be browsing today. There is mommy. So item of the week is over here. Look, we got Tiger Pop Very Berry. So it's all candies. Double Crips Heart. This is nice. And we have Kisses at the bottom. Milk chocolate, and which is this one? It's also milk chocolate. So look, they have the Easter eggs. I like this. Cute. Look at this one. Happy Easter. And the gnome is cute. This is also nice, right? Beautiful decors. Valentine cards. These say $1. Nice. With love to my husband. Hugs and kisses. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, some of these we have seen before. The straws, 6 in a pack, the heart shape. This is the foil curtain. Cute. This is what it looks like. That is nice. They have the red and also the pink. Let me see if they have anything else. That's it. Oh, these little boxes are nice too. Right. And they have the larger one. Nice. These are the bag ties. You get 20 for $1.25. I like this one though. The big hearts and the llamas. These are stickers. Cute. Love the necklaces. They have the small treat bags. You get 30 in these. They're nice. I like this one. Little hearts. These are cutouts. You get 6. Okay, who's having a Valentine party for the kiddos? Caboose. You get 10. Ooh, I like these. Are these little rings? Yes. Look at these. These are heart love notes. I like this one. Sweet Valentine. You are dynamite. Jawsome. These are great to make little party bags. I remember I usually have to make these for my niece for school. Little party bags for Valentine. Fortune cookies. These are nice. All these stickers. We used to put little stickers in the bags. These are fabric gift bags. These stickers are pretty. Oh, I like this. What is this? These are also stickers. These are nicer. Oh, look at these. These are cute. These are also stickers, DIY stickers. Nice. Oh, look at this. This is a craft kit. 6 pieces. Nice. Table scatter. And we have the heart, a glitter paper heart. Down below they have the paper plates. And you get 18 pieces. The cups. These are the on-the-go cups. You get 5. And they have different prints, larger hearts. These, as I said, these are great if you're gonna have like a little Valentine party. These look like they're all for boys. So if you're gonna pack this school gifts, you gotta have toys for boys and girls. Oh, they have more cards here. These are nice. You rock my world. To my loving wife. Happy Valentine. Ooh, this one would be great if you like chocolate, and this would be great if you like crossword puzzles. Florals, nice. And the little cute cat. Look at these pretty bags they have over here. They are nice, right? So these are single, and the smaller ones, they usually have 2 or 3. This is 2. This is also 2. So let's put it back. And over here they have more bags. Oh, this smallest one. Oh, these are 3. Yep. And these are also 3. Oh, we go together like milk and cookies. Ah, I like this little fabric one. Ah. And these are also fabric. They're 3 XOX. And then they have the tissue paper with the hearts. These are reusable bag. So pretty. Look at this one. Farm Fresh. I like this one. Oh, these would be great if you have a garden and you're going to be decorating your garden. These are really cute. Welcome. Oh, I like this. The wind twister. So pretty. Look, they have some mushrooms. Some little garden houses. Fairy tale, I would say. And then they have these right here. Okay, they have some hanging decors here. Really nice. I like these. Oh, look at this one with the key. Beautiful. Yes, this is cute. Dairy garden display is up. I know a lot of people like these. They collect them every year. This is cute, right? Oh, I like this. And they have the mushrooms. They also have some more garden decors right here. Oh, these are cute right here. I didn't notice these. And they also have it in red. Very cute, right? So I see they have some Easter decor up. These are nice. Mini foam mushrooms. Okay. And these are the bunnies. They are cute. They have the eggs. They look like sequins. Yes, they are. Look at these little bunnies. They look so cute. And they have the little chickens too. Look, they have the bunny in plaid. Blue plaid, pink plaid, purple plaid. The garland with the eggs on it. And the bunnies. These are cute, cute. I love this hanging decor. This is pretty large for $125. Oh, what is this? These are hanging decors for Easter. Happy Easter. And look, they have the egg pigs. Blue, purple, green. You get 4. Right here we have some hanging Easter decor. Bunny Farm. Yes. These are really cute. Happy Easter. Oh. Spring is here. And they have some socks. These look like Valentine socks, right? Yes. Some scarves. And then they have some craft paint set. These large eggs over here. Ooh, these are really large. And they have the little fuzzy friends. Pink, purple and gray. Oh, the blue one is pretty. Buckets are beautiful. This one is much larger. I like these little small one, the pink, the yellow, blue. Oh, I like these eggs right here. These are really cute. And look, they have the tray. They have 6 in here. They have some headbands. Pink, yellow. Look at this blue right here. Look at this blue. These are the light up roses. They have in pink and they have a lot of these fuzzy friends. I like the pink unicorn. It's cute too. Oh, they are pretty. Oh, don't forget this one. She is cute. Look at these buckets right here. They have it in red and pink with a little bit of shimmer. So cute. This is also nice, but this one looks like it's bigger, right? Look at these potted hydrangea, pink and blue. These are $5, and I'm not sure what these are. Oh, peony. These are pretty, right? Oh, they have these little signs right here. These are $3, and you can spin it. Together forever. Sweet love, you are loved. Love is all you need. I love you. These are $5. Nice. I like this one. Ooh, be mine. These are solar lights and they are $3. Ooh, look at them. Look at these. These are pretty. I don't see a price on these, but I think maybe they are $5. If you know, share below. Oh, these are nice. These are pretty. These are $5. Floral swag. This is also nice. Are these $5? Bunny. They are cute though. Ooh, $5. And look up top. The duck is nice. I like these. The table runners are $5. I like the plaid one. That's cute, right? And the set of napkin 4 are for $3. Nice colors. Some nice runners here. Look at the eggs. Let me see if they have. Ooh, I love the floral. Nice, $5. Ooh, look at the carrots. Pretty, right? These large eggs are $3. Let me see this one. This one is $5. Metallic. Oh, oven mitts. These are $5. You get 2, so this one is nice. Crack me up. Ah, these are cute. Look at this one. Look at these peeps. These are $5. Yellow, tie-dye, pink, and blue. These are pretty. And look at these peeps. LED bubble one. These are nice. So this is the pink one. Blue, yellow. They also have a green. These are $5. Ooh, these are beautiful. $5 for these tumblers. Isn't this nice, mommy? They have it in yellow, blue, pink. These are gonna go fast. Look, I find some stainless steel travel mugs for $5. And look at the green ones they have right beside it. $5 also. Look, they have some storage cubes. These are $5. And they have some smaller one for $3. And they look pretty nice. And up top they have over the door hooks for $5. Over this area, look, they have the hefty 17 in the pack for $5. These are the Commander. And these are 20. You get 20 bag. Oh, I would definitely get this one. This is 25 ultra strong with Fabuloso. I know it smells real good. Hefty. We have the Gain dishwashing liquid, family size, $5. Look, they even have Myers product up here. You see all these? Glass wipe. Oh, look at this. Zep Mold and stain. That is good. More Myers. We have Tide Simply. These are $5. The Lysol is $3. You get 35 wipes. Look, we have Gain. We have Gain. Dishwashing liquid. These are good. These are $5 too. Fresh and comfy. I'm not sure how much Pat is in here, but look at this one. This is Arm & Hammer. It's a good buy, right? This is also Arm & Hammer right here. 42 loads, and this one is 35 loads. Foaming shower tub and tile cleaner by Zepp. Look here, all-purpose lavender cleaner, $5. Oh, they have extra right there. And look at this. This is a Downy 7-in-1 Ultra. I like this one. Infusion Calm, $5. So they have a lot of brand names here today. So that's it for today, my shopping buddies. I appreciate you coming along. Be safe. Stay blessed. These paper towels right here, you get 6 giant roll for $3. The bathroom tissue, 12 for $5. And these are the Ultra Harmony, $5 for those. And they also have plates. You get 85 foam plates. I do not see a price on this.